Welcome. If you want to connect with friends more easily on Roblox, allowing the app to access your contacts is the way to go. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable contact access for Roblox on your phone. First, grab your phone and open your device's settings. This is where you can manage all your apps and permissions. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the section called Apps or App Management. Depending on your device, the name might be slightly different, but it's usually easy to spot. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through until you find Roblox. Then tap on it. This will bring up the app's information page, where you can control various settings specific to Roblox. Now, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. Permissions let you decide what information and features each app can use on your device. In the Permissions menu, you'll see a list of things Roblox might request access to, like your camera, storage, and of course, your contacts. Find contacts in the list and tap on it. Here you'll see options to allow or deny access. Tap Allow to let Roblox access your contacts. This step is important if you want to use features like finding friends who are already on Roblox or inviting new friends to join you in your games. And that's it. You've successfully enabled contact access for Roblox. Now, the app can help you connect with people you know, making your gaming experience even more social and fun. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same settings and adjust the permissions at any time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends so they can connect on Roblox too. Enjoy your adventures and happy gaming.